Hello everyone, if you're trying to play GTA 5 and you keep getting this error GFX state game error, please reboot and restart the game. Then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on GTA 5 easily. So this fix will work for both the enhanced and the legacy versions of the game. The first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that you don't have any overclocks or underclocks running on your graphics card. So just right click on your desktop, go into AMD software here. I'll show you AMD first, afterwards I'll show you NVIDIA. You're going to go into performance, you're going to go into tuning. Make sure automatic tuning is set to default, so don't have any overclocks or underclocks on your graphics card. And now you're going to go into NVIDIA. So you're going to right click on your desktop, go into NVIDIA control panel here. And once you're into NVIDIA control panel, now what you're going to do is you're going to go into help here. And then you're going to make sure that you turn on debug mode here. Once you turn debug mode on, it will set your graphics card to the factory settings. It will disable any overclocks or underclocks that you may have running on your graphics card. Once you're done with that, now you're going to go ahead and verify your game's files. So I'll show you how to do it on Steam and Epic Games. So you're going to open up Steam. You're going to right click on GTA 5, go into properties and then click install files. Click verify integrity of game files here. And now I'll show you Epic Games. You're going to go into your games library here. And then you're going to click onto these three dots on GTA 5. Click manage and then click verify here. It will verify your game's files. Once it's done verifying your game's files, now you can go ahead and try to play the game and you'll see that your game will now work. You will not face that error GFX state anymore. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.